All right, Kirk Allen. We are live at the BMW Performance Center. Thank you for this, for putting on for the Cincinnati crew.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thanks for your excitement.
So, big question. Are you going to lead these rides today?
Absolutely not. We have professional trainers here, and we are going to learn everything they tell us.
That doesn't necessarily apply to me sometimes, folks, so. But thank you for everybody, and thanks for doing this for us. Absolutely. This is great. I know your dad's over there. There he is, getting this stuff together.
We've got a great group of people, great weather.
It'll be fantastic.
We're going to have a great time today, so yeah.
Right,
looking forward to it.
Folks, wait until you see the rest of this. It's going to be fantastic. Thanks. Later. Tom, how are we doing today?
We're going for a motorcycle ride today.
You're going for a motorcycle ride. Motorcycle ride. Okay. Gentlemen, how are we doing?
Good.
Are you ready for a big day? I love it. That's great. This whole crew is ready to go. There's so much excitement in the air. It's unbelievable. Can't hold back here. Look at all these. We got our trainers over here. They're all looking fantastic. Gentlemen, you guys ready for today?
Yes, we are.
You guys
Can't
excited?
wait. Jumping at the bit.
Perfect. I love to hear that. That's awesome. All right, all right, all right. We're ready to roll.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Everybody's on their bikes getting ready. All right, we are taking off. All right, this is everything coming out here. That's obviously the racetrack with the cars. And they've obviously had a few incidences with some vehicles back here. And there's another class going on at the same time as us. All right, you want to go? You want to do this bike or that one? Okay, go ahead. You got it. Down goes Frazier. All right, so we do one lap here, and then we got to put a knee up. Easy there, big boy, easy there. Man down. All right, so what we're going to do is do slow, basically a slow race, and then after this, then we're going to do trial stops. 2 or 3 times, go around, and then this is what we're going to do. Trying to go slow race. Man down. Trial stops now. okay. What did you want me to do?
I was telling you to use more brake.
Oh!
You're hitting the brake and you're slowing the bike.
Got it.
You're crawling it.
Got it.
You never actually make
Stopping, making the stop.
more brake, make that stop, then go.
Got it. Okay, I thought. Okay, got it. All right. Make adjustments where you need to. All right. This is where we stop, drop, and roll. Well, maybe not roll. Stop or keep going? Enough. You've had enough. I got it. First dump. I did it.
I'll pick the bike up for you.
No, I got it. Get out of here.
It's okay, I got it.
I know that's your gig, but the guys like seeing me do it because this is my normal thing.
I'll let you burn your energy later.
Here.
How about that?
See, I was being a smart ass here. That's what happens when you're a smart ass. All right.
On the brake. So you'll have to either, so you gotta keep flexing.
I got it.
Flexible on your foot, or you can keep it up. If not, I would back that toe up, because what you're doing is you're just engaging the rear brake each time.
Oh, that's what's happening.
Yep. You're hitting the brake. When you're turning, you're allowing your foot to do this. So if you can't keep it up like this, if you don't have the flexibility in that, just back your toe up.
Ah, okay. On the outside. Nice job, nice job. We had our little break. All right, we're going to split up in two groups. We are going to do the enduro stuff. And this should be fun. I'll go last. I want to film you guys. Enduro trail. Let's do this. Easy there, Tiger. Oh yeah, this is all coming back to me now. 5 years, folks, 5 years. Of all the fun stuff. Man down. Stay there, we got you. All right, give us a second. Hold on. Let me get the front end of this. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, thank you.
You all right? I've done this a few times. You all right, big dog?
Yeah, I'm good.
Now wait a minute. Now, so you can't get on from that side. You have to try to get on this side. Let's train here. Turn the handles in.
Open up the door.
Open up the door. See? You got this, big dog. You want to go first? I'll let you go first. I got the camera rolling. I want to see the trained professional do this. Slow down. She was saying we were going a little too fast through the washboards. All right, let's see where we go now. I think we're headed back to lunch. So you guys having fun yet?
Having a ball.
Absolutely.
Having a great time? You're a little
dewy?
A little dewy. Just a bit. Having fun?
Hey!
We're having fun. Love it. No way, dude. No. Oh my God.
That's the easy part.
Holy shit balls.
Wow.
All right. Okay. Yep. Oh yeah. Here we go. Yeah. We're by the window. Okay. Look at those plates. Looking good. There's a few hungry people here, I think. Excellent food.